If you're looking for cookware that combines durability, convenience, and performance, this T-Fal specialty non-stick fry pan set might be exactly what you need. This 3-piece set includes 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch fry pans, making it ideal for both small, quick dishes and hearty family meals. But does it live up to the hype? In this detailed review, we'll break down the unique features, advantages, and real-life benefits of this T-Fal cookware to help you decide if it deserves a spot in your kitchen. The power of T-Fal's heat mastery system. One of the standout features of this T-Fal fry pan set is the heat mastery system, designed for consistently superior cooking results. Here's how each part of the system enhances your cooking experience. 1. ProGlide Nonstick Coating. T-Fal has equipped these pans with a toxin-free, long-lasting non-stick coating that allows food to slide right off. You can enjoy cooking without excessive oils or fats, making your meals healthier and clean up a breeze. 2. Anti-warp base. A sturdy, even heat base eliminates hot spots, ensuring your food cooks evenly. Whether you're searing a steak or frying an egg, you'll get consistently delicious results without worrying about burnt spots. 3. Thermo-Spot Technology. T-Fal's patented Thermo-Spot heat indicator takes the guesswork out of preheating. The ring turns red when the pan reaches the ideal cooking temperature, so you can start cooking with the confidence that your food will cook evenly and flavors will be locked in. This technology makes it easy for beginner cooks to master preheating and gives seasoned chefs the assurance of consistently delicious meals. Effortless cooking and cleanup. With the T-Fal specialty non-stick fry pan set, you can say goodbye to the hassle of stuck-on food. T-Fal's ProGlide Nonstick Coating means you'll rarely have to scrape or scrub, which not only saves time, but keeps your pans in great condition longer. And because it's dishwasher safe, cleaning up is as simple as a rinse and load. The durability of the non-stick layer ensures that even everyday use won't lead to wear and tear, making this set a reliable companion in the kitchen. Versatility for every meal. Whether you're cooking a quick breakfast or preparing a family dinner, the 3 pan sizes 8, 9.5, and 11-inch offer the versatility you need. 8-inch pan, perfect for small meals like a single omelet or sautéed vegetables. 9.5-inch pan, ideal for medium dishes such as frying fish fillets or preparing stir-fries. 11-inch pan, this large pan can handle full meals like seared steaks, family-sized portions of pasta, or grilled sandwiches. All pans are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to start cooking on the stovetop and finish in the oven. With this cookware set, you can prepare a range of dishes without needing multiple appliances. Safe and comfortable design. Safety and ease of use are top priorities with this T-Fal set. Each pan features ergonomic, stay-cool handles that provide a secure grip, reducing the risk of accidents while cooking. The vented glass lids, available for purchase separately if needed, let you monitor your food without letting heat escape, keeping dishes flavorful and moist. The pans are compatible with most stovetops, excluding induction, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. The even heat base is not only effective, but also resists warping, meaning these pans will stay reliable and perform well over time. Built to last with T-Fal quality. When investing in cookware, longevity is key. The T-Fal specialty non-stick fry pan set is made from durable aluminum, known for quick, even heating and lasting performance. T-Fal's dedication to quality is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, showing their commitment to producing high-quality, reliable kitchen products. Pros and cons. Pros: ProGlide Nonstick Coating for easy food release and quick cleanup. Thermo-Spot Technology indicates perfect preheating. Even heat base for consistent cooking results without hot spots. Dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. Oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing stovetop to oven recipes. Comfortable, stay-cool handles for safe cooking. Cons: not compatible with induction stovetops. Handles may not be oven safe at very high temperatures. Who should buy the T-Fal specialty non-stick fry pan set? This set is perfect for busy home cooks looking to simplify their kitchen routine. Its user-friendly features make it ideal for beginners, while its durable construction and high performance will satisfy seasoned chefs. If you value easy cleanup, versatility, and reliable results, the T-Fal specialty non-stick fry pan set is a fantastic addition to your cookware collection. Whether you're making eggs, stir-frying vegetables, or preparing a full meal, this set has you covered with the right tools. The added convenience of Thermo-Spot technology ensures every dish turns out deliciously, with minimal guesswork. Final verdict: why the T-Fal Specialty Fry Pan Set is a great choice. Investing in the T-Fal Specialty Nonstick Fry Pan Set is like equipping your kitchen with high-quality, versatile tools that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The nonstick coating, Thermo-Spot technology, and even heat distribution are standout features that elevate your cooking experience. And with easy cleaning and durability, this set is built to withstand the demands of daily use. From quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners, this set does it all. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Don't miss out on the chance to add these versatile pans to your cookware collection. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.